And the dolphins too. Can't believe I got both of them. Damn, what a good morning. What a good morning. Get up early, enjoy the day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Oh, beauty. This morning, I'm heading down to Fingal and to hopefully see some dolphins or some whales or something, because everyone else has and I haven't. I'm really bummed. I just want to find a nice photo, get a nice photo of a whale. Hopefully there's some whales or dolphins or something today. I haven't seen anything the last 2 visits. Oh, I think I can already see dolphins. How good. There's fucking dolphins! Shit. I'm literally shaking a little bit because there was like a pot of fucking like 6 whales. Oh my god. Oh my, wow, that was so cool. I went 4 Ks out to sea to get it, and I'm drained my battery so much. I'm kind of scared it's not going to make it back in. I've still got 3.5 Ks to go. Man, I'm so excited. I actually nearly peed. That was amazing. Holy fuck. There was so many whales. Oh, finally! Seriously, I'm that stoked with this morning. I know the photo I want to get of whales, and I don't think I definitely didn't get it today. But that was cool. That was real cool. Man, I'm just going through some of the footage this morning from my little freak out with the whales. Man, they're so beautiful. And the dolphins too. Can't believe I got both of them. Damn, what a good morning. What a good morning. Get up early, enjoy the day.